Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be looking at two examples of comparing fractions. And I'm going to show you an easy method you can use to compare fractions. So our first example, we have two fractions with the same denominator. When you have two fractions with the same denominator, this is actually makes things pretty easy and simple, because all you have to do with this is look at your numerators. In this example, 3 is larger than 1. So automatically we know that 3/5 is greater than 1/5. Now our second example is different. We have two fractions with different denominators. So to make this simple, we can use our least common multiple method. And the way we're going to do this is by taking this fraction and creating a common denominator. So what I'm going to do is multiply 3 times 3. Because we want our numerator to also be 9. That is the least common multiple. So we're going to multiply 3 times 3 and 2 times 3. Which would give us 6/9 and 4/9. Now that we have common denominators, we can compare our numerators just like we did for our first example. 6 is greater than 4, which means 6/9 is greater than 4/9. And that is how you compare fractions with same denominators and different denominators. If you guys would like to see more videos on fractions, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I have a full playlist on fractions, which is in the description with a link.